Before you dive into buying a business on Flippa, there are a few key things you need to know. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-on business investment, Flippa can be an exciting marketplace, but it's crucial to approach it with the right information. In this video, I'm going to give you 7 things you absolutely need to know before buying on Flippa, and trust me, these insights will save you time, money, and maybe even a few headaches down the road. Stick around till the end, because one of these points could be a game changer for your decision-making process. Now, if you're new to Flippa, you should know this. It's one of the largest online marketplaces for buying and selling websites, domain names, and online businesses. But before you rush into buying, let me give you the rundown. First off, unlike other platforms, Flippa doesn't just focus on websites and domains, it allows you to buy entire businesses. The key difference here compared to competitors like Empire Flippers or FE International is that Flippa is a bit more accessible for smaller budgets and allows more flexibility when it comes to niche websites. However, this flexibility also comes with a downside. The quality of listings can vary widely, and that's where your diligence comes in. You need to be able to sift through the good and the bad carefully. Next thing you need to know, understand how Flippa's valuation process works. Many listings on Flippa are priced based on simple multipliers of monthly revenue or profit. For instance, you might see a site selling for 20x monthly profit. However, unlike some more curated platforms, Flippa doesn't always offer the same level of vetting, so be prepared to do your own research. Some sellers might inflate their numbers, and unless you're experienced in evaluating online businesses, you could easily overpay. Always cross-check revenue with traffic, user engagement, and expenses to ensure you're getting a fair deal. The third thing to keep in mind is the due diligence process. Flippa does provide certain tools to verify financials, but it's still very much on you as the buyer to perform due diligence. For example, you might want to ask for verified income reports, traffic data, and proof of the business model's sustainability. You'd be surprised how many buyers overlook this part, which often leads to unpleasant surprises later on. This is where Flippa differs from more high-end brokers like Empire Flippers, where the businesses tend to come with a lot more vetting and verification. Now, the fourth thing is something people often overlook. Be wary of the support structure. Unlike buying a physical business where you have employees or inventory systems, an online business on Flippa might come with limited support post-sale. If the seller doesn't hand over complete documentation or a smooth transition plan, you could be left high and dry. This is one area where platforms like FE International often have an edge, as they focus more on offering a structured transition period for buyers. But on Flippa, it's crucial to confirm if the business is self-sustaining and that the seller will offer some level of post-sale support. The fifth thing is that Flippa operates on an auction-based model, which means you might find yourself in a bidding war. If you're not careful, emotions can get in the way and you could end up overpaying. This is another area where Flippa stands apart from competitors. Many of them offer a fixed price marketplace, which can make the buying process more straightforward. But with Flippa, you're going to need to keep a cool head and stick to your budget. Next up, the sixth thing is that Flippa's marketplace is filled with competition. You're not the only buyer looking for a deal, and as you bid on websites and businesses, you'll be competing with others who are just as eager. This can drive prices up, especially for popular websites or businesses with proven revenue models. But it also creates an opportunity. If you're willing to wait and research more niche opportunities, you can snag a deal before others jump in. Finally, the seventh thing to know. Flippa offers a free trial that lets you dip your toes into the platform without any commitment. That means you can explore listings, get a feel for the marketplace, and decide if this is the right investment strategy for you. If you want to try Flippa out for free and see what businesses you can find, just click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial and access exclusive benefits. To wrap it up, buying a business on Flippa can be a fantastic investment if you go into it with the right knowledge and strategy. If you're looking for a marketplace that's dynamic and offers plenty of opportunities, Flippa is a great platform to consider. Just remember to do your due diligence, be prepared for competition, and always check the numbers carefully. So, if you're ready to give it a try, click the first link in the description to get started with your free trial of Flippa today. Trust me, it's worth checking out.